When you want to expand x plus 3 uh, twice, you do x plus 3 into x plus 3. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, and this becomes x into x is x squared, and x into 3 is 3x, and 3 into x is 3x. I repeat myself, x into x is x squared, x into 3 is 3x, 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 3 is 9. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. So when the power is 2, the elements are 3. But when you go on x plus 3 to the power of 3, you say, okay, this is like x plus 2 to the power of 2 into x plus 3. The x plus 3 to the power of 2 into x plus 3 to the power of 1. So this means what? Have you done binomial school? Yeah, good. So this means that the expansion of x plus is already put in here, and you have a 9 multiplied by x plus 3. So this is what you get. And x squared into x squared is x cubed, and x squared into 3 is 3x, and x squared, okay, I repeat myself, x squared into x is x cubed, x squared into 3 is 3x squared, 6x into x is 6x squared, 6x into 3 is 18x, 9 into x is 9x, and 9 into 3 is 27. This makes it x cubed, 3x squared plus 6x squared is 9x squared, 18x plus 9x is 27x plus 27. Again, the power is 3, the elements are 4. So what happens if I ask you to do x plus 3 to the power of 5, or x plus 3 to the power of 6, or x plus 3 to the power of 8? You'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. And you'll have to keep multiplying, and you got x plus 3 cubed. You'd have to multiply it by x plus 3 cubed. Again, you get x plus 6, x plus 3 to the power of 6. And then you multiply it by x plus 3 squared. And then you get x plus 3 to the power of 8. I mean, it's too long. I repeat myself, x plus 3 to the power of 2 will give you 3 elements. X plus 3 to the power of 3 will give you واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة 4 elements. But if you do x plus 3 to the power of 8, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. That's too much. That's basically too much. There's too many elements and too many multiplications. So we come up with a formula. Close it. We come up with a formula to solve this problem. There are 2 formulas in this entire chapter. I hope you know we are doing chapter number 14 of the old advanced book, chapter number 14. Okay, its page is 314. Page number 314 of your advanced book. And there is a pyramid way of doing it, but I don't like it, and I'm not going to be teaching it. Now the shortcut method, can everybody see the board? Is everybody with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Is everybody with me? Can everybody hear me? So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this off. and try to give you a shortcut method, which is the actual standard formula. It says 1 plus b to the power of n is 1 plus nc1 b to the power of 1 plus nc2 b to the power of 2 plus nc3 b to the power of 3 plus dot b to the power of n. Now, it might be confusing, but in the next five examples, it'll be very much easier for you. So, let's take the first step. Let's give an example. 1 plus 1 minus b to the power of n, 5. Let's do the expansion of this. Now remember, this formula is where the 1 is involved here. So it'll always be 1 plus, this is n, so it'll be 5c1. b की जगह आप लिखोगे minus b to the power of 1 plus 5c2 minus b to the power of 2 plus 5c3 minus b to the power of 3 plus 5c4 minus b to the power of 4. And the last one, Wahid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the sixth term will be 5c5, which is actually equal to 1. Pick up the calculator. Pick up the calculator. Everyone, put 5c5. Now, people must be wondering, how do you put a 5c5? Ayman, are you with me? So I'm going to say this 5 shift, okay, 5 shift C5. This is what you have to do. 5 C5. Okay, you do 5, you type a 5, then you shift, you press the division sign, you write down 5. And the answer is 1. So we understand that the next step is very important. 1 plus, pick up the calculator, do 5C1. 5C1. What's the answer?
5.
5. Brilliant. 5C1 is 5. Minus b to the power of 1 is actually a minus b. Plus 5C2 is a 10. Check it out. And minus b squared is b squared. Plus 5C3 is a 15. Check it out. Is it 15?
Notes 5C3 is 10.
5C3 is also 10? Okay. 5C3 is also 10. 5C3 is 10. And minus b cubed is minus b cubed. Plus 5C4 is a 5. Minus to the power of 4 is a plus. And b to the power of 4 is b4. Plus 5C5, b to the power, this is b to the power of 5. So 5C5 is what?
1.
1. b to the power of 5 is b to the power of 5, which can now be written as 1 minus 5b plus 10b squared minus 10b cubed plus 5b4 plus b to the power of 5. This is your entire expansion. Now remember the power is 5, therefore the elements must be wahid, atnain, talata, arba, khamsa, 6. 6 elements. If the power is 5, you'll get 6 elements. Always. Okay? Now, irrespective, Azlan joined in late and Reha joined in late.
नो सर मैं शुरू से क्लास में था क्योंकि मैंने मोबाइल की बैटरी डाउनलोड की थी लैपटॉप से ज्वाइन किया है
बेटा
आप
ये
प्रोसीड
लैपटॉप से आपको पहले ही ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. Kindly don't come up with stupid excuses. Avoid the stupid excuses. Your age is 18. You need to avoid your stupid excuses. Okay?
सर सर आई एम 20
At
इयर्स
the
ओल्ड
age of 18, I was in the third year of engineering. I started my third year of engineering at the age of 18. Second year of engineering, sorry. Okay? So please
यस
grow
सर
up. Yes. This is your expansion. I'd like everybody to do this right now. You have exactly 30 seconds. If Reha, have you done this topic before? Reha, assalamu alaikum. रेहा फिर गायब हो गई है. नरमीन समझ में आया? प्रॉब्लम आएगी पहली दफा. Okay. First, copy the formula. We are going to do 5 examples today, and then we do a PS session for quadratics, coordinate geometry. Done?
Yes, sir.
Umay's done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Abdul Sami Sarfraz.
Yes, sir.
हो रहा है?
Yes, sir. I understood
Good,
it
good.
to some extent. To some extent.
Okay, Anika, are you there, darling?
Yes, sir.
Brilliant. Alicia, कुछ समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Aman, Aman Mughal,
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you, Aman.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can't have sleepy heads in my class. Done. Have you done, everybody? Okay, I'll go to Humaira. Humaira, beta समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Shouldn't the last term be minus b5?
Minus, it is minus B5. It is minus B5. Last time is minus B5. Thank you for the correction. Hussain, very good. Mariam Fatma, okay. John Saib, did you get it?
जी सर.
Bajiuddin, Vania, Vania. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you get it, beta? तो समझ में आया?
Yep, sir. समझ आया.
Okay. Narmeen, Naman.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया नहीं आया?
Sir, आ गया.
Okay. Myra, did you get some part of it? Is the formula why are there dots before the last term? Oh, before the dot because it can continue for as many terms till the term, last term. So there are middle terms as well. Okay, Myra? The middle terms as well. Okay. Now let's go on. Vaji. Okay. Now, instead of doing all these stupid exam expansions, we can go and use the formula for as many times as we like, as many terms as we like. Okay? But there's some things to learn here, and we go on to the first one. 1 plus 2x to the power of 5. Okay? The next question is 1 plus 2x to the power of 5. Now, in the expansion of 1 plus 2x to the power of 5, I'm going to use this formula again. Okay? 1 to the power of 5 plus the first term is as it is 1 to the power of 5 and then becomes 5c1 2x to the power of 1 plus 5c2 2x to the power of 2 plus 5c3 2x to the power of 3 plus 5c4 2x to the power of 4 plus 5c5 2x to the power of 5. Okay? Zaid Bogle, you joined up very late.
Sir, I joined but I accidentally disconnected because the laptop बंद हो गया था वापस reconnect किया मैंने.
Problem. Shamir, you joined up very late today. Shamir?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. क्या होता है? What was yes, sir for? Start with an
Sir,
apology.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. You start with an apology, then you explain why. What happened?
Sir, नाश्ता कर रहा था.
Brilliant. Brilliant. That's an amazing excuse. You use this excuse once more, I'll personally come and break your head, idiot. Okay, that's 1 to the power of 5 is 1. 5c1 का मतलब होता है, pick up the calculator everyone. 5c1 करें 5 होता है. 2x to the power of 1 is 2x. 5c2 होता है 10. 2 to 2 का स्क्वायर होता है 4 x squared plus 5c3 is also 10. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 x cubed plus 5c4 is a 5. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, x to the power of 4, plus 5c5 is a 1, 2 to the power of 5 is 32, x to the power of 5. Okay? So 1 remains 1, 5 twos are 10, x, plus 4 tens are 40, x squared, plus 10 eights are 80, x cubed, plus 5 into 16 is also 80, x to the power of 4, plus 32, x to the power of 5. Now, what I want to teach you is the 1 and the 32. 1 to the power of 5 is a 1, and 2x to the power of 5 is a 32. This is what happens in exercise 14.1. Okay, in exercise 14.1, we experience the 1 to the power of 5, 1 to the power of 5 is the first term, and 2x to the power of 5 as the last term. Okay, so this is what we get in the end of the day. Okay, so do this. You have another 30 seconds to do this question without copying it. Talha, are you with me? Ayman, are you with me? Ayman, are you with me, beta? Ayman, आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है तुम्हारी माइक की. Talha, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. हो रहा है तला, हुसैन हो रहा है, एमन हो रहा है, जानजेब, जानजेब
जी सर हो रहा है, जी सर हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
हो रहा है.
जी, sir.
Good. वजी, वजी हो रहा है, वजीउद्दीन, वानिया हो रहा है, रेहा, are you with me?
जी सर हो रहा है.
Reha, are you
Yes,
with
sir,
me?
I'm here.
Okay, shukar, alhamdulillah, very good. Okay,
जी sir.
good. नेट का इशू आ रहा था. शामीर,
जी sir.
शामीर समझ में आया? Okay,
Yes, sir.
brilliant. ये फॉर्मूला नहीं बता, ऊपर वाला फॉर्मूला नहीं बता, डब्बा बाकी बता दो. Good. Let's go to the next one. We're doing the third one, third expansion today. The question is 1 plus 4x to the power of 6. And before I go ahead, I want to ask my students, put your pens down, guys, everyone. Faizan ho raha hai? Faizi ho raha hai?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and before I go ahead, I want to ask all of my friends, all my students right now, how many babies are we gonna get? How many? Yeah, we're gonna get 6 babies out of 7 babies. The power is 6, we're gonna get 7. We're gonna get 7. That's the rule. It's always one extra. Okay? Now, unfortunately, fortunately, the Gora has asked us to find only the first 4 terms. Now, all of you have to grow with me, okay? Now, the first 4 terms, पहला term तो 1 हो जाएगा. Second term will be 6c1, 4x to the power of 1 plus 6c2, 4x to the power of 2 plus 6c3, 4x to the power of 3 plus dot 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 dot. Now this dot dot is as important as any of them because it shows that the expansion is not complete. Expansion is not complete. So what we're going to do is that we're going to leave the dots there. 1 plus 6c1 is the 6. 4x to the power of 1 plus, 4x plus 62 is 15. Check it out.
Yes.
It is 15. 4 square is 16. X squared. Plus 63 is
20.
20. 4 cubed is 64. X cubed. Plus dot 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 dot. These dot dots are as important as the rest of them. 1 plus 24x plus 15 into 30 is 240 x squared. You're dealing with a genius right now, so you don't have to worry about it. 264 is 128, 1280 x cubed plus dot 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 dot. Now, I'd like you to do this, get this answer in 25, okay, 30 seconds. Okay, and after you get the 30 seconds, you're supposed to say yes. Okay, hurry up. Just 4 terms, but you can't forget the dot 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 dot. Tamiz seek lo. Okay.
Done, sir.
Seriously, impressed.
Done, sir.
Very good, Reha.
We're done.
Sanjay done. Very good. I see my A graders. Come on, Abiya. Omes. Eamon ne done kar diya. Very
Done,
good,
sir.
Eamon. Abdul Sami Sarfraz done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Impress हो गया मैं. Abiya done.
सर डन हो गया.
Very good. ओए ओए ये कौन था? अजलान था. कयामत
सर
की
मैं था सर.
कयामत की निशानी अजलान. When
क्यों
Azlan
सर
is
ऐसे
done,
क्यों
it
बोल.
means either it's too easy or have you copied it, Azlan? Copy करने नहीं कहा था, खुद करने कहा था.
सर खुद ही किया है, समझ के खुद ही किया
Okay.
है.
Fazan, I'm waiting. हो गया?
Done, sir.
Okay. Myra,
Yes, sir.
Myra ने done कर दिया. Waziuddin, Vania is also done. Very good. Impressified today, yeah. I'm extremely impressified. Okay. Let's do 2 more. Okay. Hang on. 1 plus 1 minus 3x to the power of 7. Yalla, start. Do this yourself. I want only the first 4 terms. Okay, first 4 terms. One plus 7c1 minus 3x to the power of 1 plus 7c2 minus 3x to the power of 2 plus 7c3 minus 3x to the power of 3 plus dot 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 dot. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. 1 7c3 7c1 is 7, 7c is 21, but I will be with a minus sign. Now I'm skipping a step. Observe 7c2 की value क्या है?
Sir,
28.
done.
7c2
21.
21 into 9
189.
I know, but with a plus sign, plus 7c3
35.
35 into 9 39 35 into 27
945.
945 x cubed plus dot dot dot. Is everybody getting this answer? Is everybody getting this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abdul Sami, Aman.
Yes, sir.
Anika. Anika.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Faizi. Johnson.
Yes, sir.
Narmeen.
Yes, sir.
Brilliant. Waji. Umesh. Vania.
Yes, sir.
Adil.
Hmm.
क्या हूँ क्या था
मतलब कर लिया थोड़ा सा धीरे था.
करेक्शन करें जल्दी से उसकी तलहा तलहा
यस
मायरा
सर कर लिए.
मायरा oh brilliant I'm impressed I am so impressed मुझे वजीउद्दीन की आवाज नहीं आई है वजीउद्दीन अभी डन ओके वजीउद्दीन की आवाज नहीं आई है ब्रिलियंट मरीम फातिमा okay cool let's go ahead another expansion I want the expansion of 1 plus x squared to the power of 8 I want it now remember one thing let's learn this this is ascending powers of x this is ascending powers so the next question says I want the first 4 terms in ascending powers of x. Powers of x. Okay, so it's going to be the same thing, isn't it? Do this question now. First 4 terms. Adab. आपका खफा होना जायज नहीं है सर ग्रुप में छोड़ा आपने कब आता तो जानने में भी छोड़ा था मेरा ऐड है या नहीं है ग्रुप में मैं फोन इसलिए किया था शाम का कंफर्म करा अच्छा रात का कंफर्म कर रहा हूँ ठीक है इधर मैंने देखा नहीं आपका ग्रुप में अच्छा बस सही ओके ओके बस ठीक है वैसे आना है 11:30 12 o'clock ठीक है बाय 12:30 तक आ जाओ ठीक है बाय बाय
सर
जी जान
सर इसको असेंडिंग में लिखना है या डिसेंडिंग.
असेंडिंग लिखा है ना असेंडिंग असेंडिंग ओके लेट्स गो so this is going to be 1 plus 8c1 x squared to the power of 1 plus 8c2 x squared to the power of 2 plus 8c3 x squared to the power of 3 plus dot. The first photo واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة 1 it becomes 8x squared plus 8c2 कितना होता है
8C2 28.
28 x to the power of 4 plus 8c3 कितना होता है
56.
56 x to the power of 6 plus dot. Do not forget the dot shows it is not complete. Okay, done. Brilliant. Next. Now let's go on to the next question. He said, मैं बोल दूँ कंस्ट्रक्शन देता हूँ ठीक है ओके बाय वैसे बोल रहा now understand I can shift my words, but nothing changes. Okay? Ready for it? आपने expansion किया था 1 plus x squared to the power of 8 का. Eyes on the board, please. And the expansion was 1 plus 8x squared plus 28x to the power of 4 plus 56x to the power of 6 plus dot dot dot. Correct? Am I right? Now the second part of the question says, use this to estimate 1.01 to the power of 8. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write 1.0801, sorry, 1.01, 1.01 to the power of 8. अंदर वाली चीजों को बीसों के बराबर कर दो. 1 plus x squared should be equal to 1.01. So x squared is equal to 1.01 minus 1. X squared is equal to 0.01 and x is equal to root of 0.01 is 0.1. So x takes the value of 0.1. You plug that in, you using this expansion to find the value of it. Just, I repeat myself. He says, use this expansion of this to find the value of 1.01 to the power of 8. तो तुमने क्या किया? तुमने 1.01 को 1 plus x square के बराबर कर दिया. अंदर की चीज अंदर, बाहर की चीज बाहर. उससे x की वैल्यू आ गई तुम्हारे पास 0.01. If you got a value 0.1, you plug it here. 1 plus 8.1 squared plus 28 into 0.14 plus 56 into 0.1 to the power of 6 plus dot dot. Pick up your calcs right now. 0.01 हो जाएगा. This will be 1 plus 0.01 into 8 is 0.08 plus 28 into 0.1 to the power of 4 is 0.00004. देखो कितना 0.0001. So it will become, do this. Pick up your calculators, everybody. Do this. It will become 0.00. Sorry, 0.00. Pick up the calculator, please. Do 0.1 to the 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1.
In number, it's showing this.
SD दबाओ ना. It's, you got to do it like this. You get something like this. Okay, 1 into 0.1 into 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 4. So what you're going to do is that you're going to press engineering, shift engineering, and the answer turns out to be 0.0001. So that 0.0001, this is what it turns out to be, multiplied by 28, and you do SD, and then you do shift engineering again, and the answer is 0.0028. 0.0028 plus, then you have 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة into 0.1. Okay, you got this as the answer. You do shift engineering, and multiply it by 56. Okay, you got shift engineering. Okay, so you get some number called 0.000056. Add it with 0.0028 plus 0.08 plus 1, and the answer turns out to be 1.082856. This is your final answer, and this is an approximate because you see you did not expand it totally. So you further or continue karta hai, but this is what you get from the answer. I repeat myself, is this entire equation, plug in the value 0.1, and get the actual answer. जल्दी से करो, ये मेरे सामने अभी करो.
So can't you just do this in the calculator?
No, you can't. No, you can't. Now look, if you just plug in, everybody, eyes on the board, look what this genius did. He plugged in 1.01 to the power of 8. Is everybody with me? I'll give you a picture of it. Please, everyone, go to your WhatsApp right now. You cannot do that. Go to your WhatsApp. The genius on my right did 1.01 to the power of 8 directly. No. He says use this. तो तुम्हारे पास 5, 6 के आगे जो आंसर आ रहा है वो आंसर क्या था?
706.
706. तुम ये भी लिख लोगे. ये नहीं लिखना. ये आगे आ रहा है 706. You can't write this. You write this. He'll say the examiner will say you cheated from the calculator, and he will mark across. You lose half a mark or 1 mark and straight away. The expansion of this has to stop at 6 because you did Wahid, Atnain, Talata, Arba expansions. Although this was supposed to have 9 expansions. 9 expansions. Do you understand? 9 decimal places tak aa rahi hogi cheez. I know. So don't do that. Just don't do that. Okay? Is everybody with me? Abia, are you with me? Abdul Sami Safraz.
Yes, sir, with you.
Aslan. Abiha. Very good.
Yes, sir, I'm with you.
Alizia. Aman Mughal.
Yes, sir.
Aman Mughal. Anika Fatma.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes, sir.
Iman. Azlu.
Yes, sir.
Faizan Khan. John Sib.
Yes, sir.
Myra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Umes. Wajid. Vania. Shamir.
जी
Yes, sir.
Adil.
Yes, sir.
Reha. Narmeen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good boys. Good bachas. Myra, कोई सवाल तो नहीं है किसी का? Good. So,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, 1 plus x square का whole power 1 is equal to 1.01 ना?
Yeah. Bracket के
सही
अंदर
है.
वाली चीजें bracket के अंदर. Okay. Guys, do you know that when you do the root of 0.01, you also get x is equal to minus 0.1 as well. You can also use this in this expansion. You can also use x is equal to minus 1, but you don't need to. Answer तो वही आएगा. ठीक है? You understand? Root of any number is a plus and a minus. Okay? So you can also use minus 0.1, but you don't need to. You just don't need to. Okay? Okay, now everybody, you have to understand one thing very clearly, that I would require you to invest 2 hours tonight on the assignment I'm giving you. Okay, tonight. Why do I say tonight? Because मुझे रात के 11 बजे PST पाकिस्तान स्टैंडर्ड टाइम के बाद मुझे एक WhatsApp आना चाहिए कि हाँ जी इतने सवाल कर लिए मैंने. तो कल मैं कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ. I have to finish this in 2 extra classes. Do you understand? I will finish this in 2 extra classes this chapter. I will finish this chapter in 2 extra classes whatsoever. So anybody sitting in this classroom right now needs to understand this. कि फौरन मुकाना है, बिकॉज कल मैं आधा चैप्टर मुका चुका हूँ. I'll be halfway through the half chapter. Is everybody clear? And you have to do it,
Yes, sir.
Reha, with all due respect to your A's and A stars and everybody. And Hamad is also here, and Mariam is also here, my TAs. Remember one thing, Anika and everybody, you need to do it my way. You walk my way, you'll find things easier, and you'll find things be able to do. But you have to do it tonight. Now comes the second part. We have 2 more examples I'm going to do right now, so hang in with me. Everybody with me till here? Good. Now, tonight, you have to do it tonight. Okay? Now, let's go and do another question. It's 1 minus 2x to the power of 5. I want the first 3 terms. Okay? And I also want the expansion of 1 plus 3x to the power of 8. Also the first 3 terms, both cases. Okay? You have a minute to win it. 1 minute. Yalla. Live. I'm going to point out 3 things to you in this question. 3 things.
Sir, second part में क्या करना है?
दोनों expansions कर लिए?
जी सर.
यार मैं impress हो रहा हूँ शामिर से. शामिर तुम मुझसे पहले कर चुके हो ना ये टॉपिक?
नहीं सर.
बस कर दो शामिर. Okay,
सर स्कूल में किया हुआ, आपसे नहीं किया.
I'm impressed. 1 minus 2x to the power of 5 is equal to 1 plus 5c1 minus 2x to the power of 1 plus 5c2 minus 2x to the power of 2 plus dot 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 1 plus 5 to the 10 with the minus sign x plus 5c2 is 10, 10 4 the 40 plus 40x squared plus dot 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 dot. Leave this. Then 1 plus 3x to the power of 8 is equal to 1 plus 8c1 3x to the power of 1 plus 8c2 3x to the power of 2 plus dot 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 is equal to 1 plus 8 is 24 x plus 8c2 is 48. 48 8c2
28.
28
Yes,
into 9, 28 into 9 is how much? 280. 280 में से 28 निकालो. 262. 262x squared plus dot dot dot. I circle this as well. The second part of the question says, eyes on the board, please. Eyes on the board. He says hence. Hence means इनको इस्तेमाल करते हुए. Hence, find the expansion of 1 minus 2x to the power of 5 into 1 plus 3x to the power of, oh, we made a mistake. It's supposed to be 9. Please correct this.
sir, it's 252.
सर 252 है.
252
थर्ड एलिमेंट.
Huh?
थर्ड एलिमेंट 252 है.
252. अच्छा वो करेक्शन वैसे ही कर ले, ये पावर 9 है, करेक्शन करे, ये पावर 9 है, so it's 9c1 which is equal to 9, 9 3 is 27, correct it, 27x, and 9c2 is how much, calculator, power was 9, I misread it, sorry, wasn't in my eyes glasses.
36. 9C2 is 36.
36 into 9,
324.
324x squared plus dot 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 dot. Okay, Myra, are you with me? To the power of 9. कहते हैं hence expand this. तो आप क्या करोगे? इसमें से उठाओगे 1 minus 10x plus 40x squared plus dot 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 multiply by 1 plus 27x plus 324x squared plus dot dot dot, and he wants the expansion till x squared. He wants it till x squared, till x squared. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब हुआ तुम्हें x squared से बड़ी वाली चीजों को इग्नोर करना है. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 27x, 27x. 1 into 30, 324x squared, 324x squared. Then minus 10x into 1 is minus 10x. Minus 10x into 27 is minus 270x squared. Ignore the others. Because मैं minus 10x को x squared से multiply करूंगा तो x cubed आ जाएगा. मायरा मेरे साथ रहना. अगर मैं minus 10x को multiply करूंगा 324x squared के साथ तो x cubed आ जाएगा. I don't need that. And the last one is 40x squared multiplied by 1 is 40x squared. Plus dot 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 छोड़ दो. That means you have left it 1, 27x minus 10x is 17x. Now pick up your calculator. 324 minus 270 plus 40.
94.
Plus 94 x squared plus dot dot dot, and that's your answer. La isla bonita. Okay. Do this question, everyone. Do this question, everyone. Okay, right now, do this question. And your assignment is exercise 14.1, questions 1 से लेकर 9 तक. Tonight. I didn't say tomorrow, I said tonight. Nobody leaves this group right now. Next 5 minutes, you remain here, start the questions.
Sir, what's the assignment?
Exercise 14.1, I'll write it in black. Exercise 14.1, questions 1 से लेकर 9 तक. All parts tonight. Okay, no tomorrow, tonight.
Okay.
Okay, finish this, WhatsApp me. Okay, if you WhatsApp me, that I've done it and submitted to Mariam, or I submitted to Hamad. You have to WhatsApp me. Okay, and Hamad and Mariam both are supposed to coordinate among yourselves. Okay, कि किसने किया हुआ है? There are 23 people in this group, 21, 22 people in this group right now, 23 people in this group. Okay, 22 people in this group right now. Remember one thing, 22 people total. तो 20 लोगों के assignment आपको आया हुआ होगा आज रात को. ठीक है? Take the list out. Make sure you have it. Thank you. And please, when you submit the assignment, write down your name. I am this submitting the assignment. No one will be taken to the class tomorrow without finishing these questions right now. Start these questions now if you do not have B3. ठीक है?
I have a question for class 10. For class 10, will the classes of math and advanced continue?
Yeah. Good. Good for you. Admath तो attend करना है सबने. एडमास तो आपका बेसिक्स है फ्यूचर का, दैट्स एन इन्वेस्टमेंट. Okay, this meeting is calling off right now. So can you send the picture of the group? My book's print is unclear. Okay, I'll just do that. Okay, everybody has to leave this group. We are now going to start a new group for P3, and the advanced students can also come in if they want to. I'm be doing chapter number. I'm being doing U into V and differentiation. All 10th and 11th graders who want to do differentiation with me can be sitting in further. ओके यू इंटू वी कर रहा हूँ कैलकुलस का, ठीक है P3 वालों के साथ. Ali Kazi and all P3. Myra, should I leave? You have to leave, Myra. You can't attend differentiation. Thank you. Okay, Aman Mughal can stay if he wants to, but Zayed Mughal cannot stay. Azlan, people who want to be in P3 can come in P3, but I'm logging off right now because I have to shut down and do the recording. ठीक है, next I'll be logging from a new group. Thank you. Bye bye. Assignment due tonight.